yourself something funky.
Hey guys, what's happening? Frankie here. Hope you are fantastic today. And yeah, I wanted to welcome you to my channel. If you're new here, my channel is dedicated to passive income platforms using crypto. And what I do is I invest in different platforms in Bitcoin. These platforms are trading, doing some sort of arbitrage trading for some of them, or forex trading or crypto trading, and then they turn around and give me a profit between 0.5 to 1%, or sometimes more than 1% per day, every single day. And that's why, yeah, it's quite beneficial for me. And I'm just documenting my journey. If you guys are interested, you can just follow along and see what I'm doing. So one of these platforms is, in no particular order, one of these platforms is 3x Capital. And 3x Capital has been working extremely well. I'm very, very, very happy with them. As you can see, I've deposited close to $1,500 2 months ago, and I'm about to break even. Okay, so I was able to withdraw 1480, and my balance is 149, meaning that technically I'm in profit. And in my next withdrawal, which is going to be in 2 days' time, I'll be able to be in profit for this platform, which is fantastic. And I'm happy for, not only am I happy for myself, obviously, but I mean, it doesn't really matter what I do. Who I'm happy for is also people who have believed in this platform, who believed in me, and who've signed up under me. They are also on their way to, breaking even and turning a profit. So that's really good. This platform has been working flawlessly, and they've got a Discord channel, as you guys know, and you can find out information about what the platform is doing, how they're progressing, what they're planning to do. As you can see here, the official launch is July the 4th, meaning that it's still very early for this platform. They're planning a few more things for the launch. And actually, let's go to the Discord channel to see if there is anything we may have missed. Let's see, guys. Let's have a quick look at the Discord channel. It's a good way of having quick information. So general chat here, through exceptional community, you have a Russian chat room, which is a new chat room, YouTube video, share your link, etc. Let's see if I've missed any information over the last few days, because I haven't logged in really. Okay, through exceptional review site, triple investment, blah, blah, blah. Sometimes, okay, let me have a look. Okay, I don't think I've missed anything. I know that they're supposed to release a bot. Let me see if they've released it yet. Created a second account. It's another one, but for Forex. Okay, there's nothing new here. Anyhow, you should definitely go to the Discord channel and follow what's been happening on 3x Capital. Very happy. Every single time I've made a withdrawal, it's been flawless. And as you can see here, I've made a lot of withdrawals over the last few weeks. And my next one is going to be in 2 days' time. So I will keep you guys posted. Moving along to Mind Capital. Mind Capital is a very interesting one. It's another long-term platform I joined a few months ago. And as you can see, my return here has been $200. I've invested, okay, let's just say my balance is now 1450. I invested a bit less, but I keep compounding to increase my initial balance. Okay, so what's happening is every single time I reach $100, I'm adding that amount to my initial balance, so that every day I'm earning more and more. So at the beginning I was earning 1% or less than one, around 0.75 net profit every day out of 500, and then it became 600. Then I kept adding more and more. And to cut a long story short, now my initial balance is a combination of reinvestment and me adding more money. Okay, so now my balance is 1450, and I'm earning on average between $8 to $9 a day every single day. Okay, so I haven't withdrawn anything yet, which is, I know it's a risk, but I keep adding to my initial balance, and now I'm earning out of 1450, which is pretty good. And if you want to know how to compound, you can just go to your name here, you go to your profile, and then you go to settings, and then you check compound interest here, which is a bit risky because basically you're not getting anything on your online wallet. It's still on the platform, but every day you're still adding to your initial balance. Okay, so it's up to you guys on how you want to play this game, but me, I've chosen to compound my interest and see where it takes me. All right. All right. So moving along to a another platform, Kangot. Kangot has, and again, I mean, if you've been following me, guys, I've been pretty transparent. If something is working, I'll let you know. Something is not working, I'll also let you know. Okay. So Kangot at the moment is having some issues, some payment issues, some payments have been delayed and they've been stuck in the main pool, etc. So far, if we go to withdrawal, I've got I think one or two stuck. Okay, actually one is stuck. So sent and confirmed. $95. I'm still waiting for this particular payment. And another one is programmed. So hopefully I should be able to have those payments cleared over the next few days or weeks. Just as a recap, guys, the CEO is having some personal issues at the moment, and he was in a Zoom call a few weeks ago, actually last week to be specific, and he was mentioning that yeah, they're working hard as they can to solve the issues. I understand that many members are getting a bit impatient about their payment, but you know, let's be patient. And again, guys, the number one rule is never ever fall in love with one single platform. That's why for me the key is diversification. That's why not only am I into Kangot, but I'm into 3x Capital and Mind Capital, and my plan is to have 4 or 5 of these platforms earning passive income for me. Okay, so one of the platforms I was mentioning over the last few weeks was Finico, but I don't think it's going to work out because Finico has decided to raise the initial deposit to $3,000. So for me, it's a bit of a reach, and I don't think I'm going to go ahead with that. So, so I think the next platform I might go in is we'll see. I mean, I've got a lot of friends in Bitalium, and you know, a lot of YouTubers are into Bitalium, so I might go into Bitalium, even though I'm not a huge fan of the CEO. Even though, yeah, there's a few things I'm not too sure about Bitalium, but I need to diversify, and we'll see. Bitalium might be that fourth platform, but that fourth long-term platform I will go into. I need to do some more, not some more research because there's plenty of information online, but I'll wait for another few weeks to see. And if nothing better comes up, I will definitely go into Bitalium and let you guys know about that. It doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, my point is not to fall in love with any single platform. My point is to diversify so that if one of them goes down or if one of them is having slower payment, which is the case for Kangot now, it's okay because number one, I expect this. It's not like I walk into a platform and I know that they're gonna pay. It's gonna be flawless for the next 12 months. No, I know there's gonna be issues along the way. I know that for a fact before I join in. Okay, that's why it's so important to diversify. And if one of them is slowing down or not working as well, it's okay. I don't really care because I've got 3x Capital working so far, and I've got Bank Capital working fine. So the key is just to put your eggs into different baskets and making sure that you keep yourself spread enough so that if one of them goes a bit slow, you can just make it up with the other ones. All right. So at the moment, as we speak, and things can change overnight, things can change from one week to another, but at the moment my fourth platform should be Bitalium, even though okay but should be Bitalium, but I will keep you guys posted. And again, if you want to follow along my journey in cryptocurrency, I invite you to, give me some comments, give me some feedback about what you think. I've got some playlists about different platforms, about 3x Capital, about Kangot, about Pan Capital. You can like, subscribe, make comments, do whatever you want, whatever makes you happy, and I will keep you guys posted as often as I can. All right, this is Frankie, and I'm out for now. Take care, guys.